You know, it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. So if for the first time you check out the Chaddy TV, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime I upload videos like these, you definitely are gonna be the first to know. On this video, we are gonna share a recent photograph of Tommy Lee in lockup. Popcaan crashes off his motorbike while shooting a music video. Miss Kitty upset. No, Miss Kitty very upset over comments made about her 80 grand date. People, no, don't want to miss that one. And we are going to talk about how the government want to give entertainers a stimulus check. You know what I mean? So stay tuned. We are going vibes to some music and then we go straight in at the topic.
But anytime your heart too big, my lad, then we take you for a fool. Someone too easy to switch dog. That's what them easy to kill dog. Boost why you catch him with the 17 dog. Pull back on the trigger. Me I go and take a rough life easy, yeah. I and I just a go and rough it out.
Yeah, Chaddy Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes!
Chaddy TV.
For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chaddy Murray. Bototom, Bush, Yaxter said that.
Entertainers and other players in the industry are set to receive COVID-19 money from the government because of the continued lockdown of the sector. Prime Minister Andrew Holness, speak in the House of Representatives yesterday, made the revelation as he again, for the umpteenth time, announced that parties and events would remain under lockdown as part of the country's COVID-19 measures. We understand the hurt and suffering. Many have lost significant resources, so we are going to have to make an allocation. I do plan to call in the leaders of the industry. We want to have an engagement because we see our music and our culture as a part of our economy recovery. So people, that article was posted on the Star Instagram page. And when I look in the comment section, there are a lot of mixed feelings. Some people are saying that Andrew a look friend, quote unquote, from the entertainers. Dancehall selector Triple X also commented and said, let's see who are going to sell themselves and how much them are going to sell themselves for. Me no want no handout. Me want better for all the Jamaicans that are facing hard times. Not just the ones with a voice can sing your praises for others to hear. Hashtag not impressed. Dancehall artist Dexta Daps on the other hand, willing to spend and take the money. He commented under that post and said, a lie, laugh face, laugh face, laugh face. Start with younger artists first, but I'm like fifth or so. Don't forget me, laugh face, laugh face, laugh face. Money, 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 money. In a bracket him right, lot of commercial style. I just want to make this point, not because Andrew only say him a give persons in the entertainment industry, that mean only artists are gonna get it. Remember, say you have selector, you have producer, you have promoters. We also should get some money as well. So people, my question to you is, which other industry do you think should get a grant or, you know, some stimulus money? Or do you think everyone in Jamaica should get some stimulus money? But then again, where the money they would have come from, I don't know. Leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Let's move on. So people, this photograph surfaced online of what appears to be Tommy Lee in his prison cell. You know? Tommy Lee just daddy and them thing there. There's not much to comment on this photograph. People, let me know in the comment section what you think of this photograph. And I am not going to make any form of comment. We're moving on. Dancehall artist Popcaan was on the scene of his new music video. Then this happened. People, check out this clip. It is still unclear to me if that was indeed Popcaan. It looked like Popcaan, and Popcaan uploaded that video to his official Instagram page. However, he didn't indicate if it was indeed him, but persons are making the speculation that it's indeed Popcaan. That video was posted 18 hours ago on the artist's official Instagram page, and it has racked up over 600,000 views. You know, a lot of people is in the comment section laughing and making fun and joke. We see people like Spice, Beres Amon, and Jesse Royal, just to name a few. But from the looks of it, the man seen in the video escaped unarmed. So it's a good thing. Popcaan, careful pan them stunt there. Let's move on. The other day, I made a video about Miss Kitty, and in that video, she claimed that $80,000 cannot carry her out for one night. So any man want to carry out Miss Kitty, them have to come good. Now, that video went viral, and a lot of people was commenting in the comment section. I say, that's why Miss Kitty now, no man. Apparently, Miss Kitty go read some of them comment there and get vexed, cross, and angry, and then said this.
Them always make it look like if you don't have a man, you're the worst. Something do you. You're gonna die alone. So what? Because when you die, Andrew, you die automatically alone. No, you're alone, man. So you're alone, not dead. When you dead, some of that, your man not dead with you? What are you saying to me? I will do it.
The comments won't come out, but they're seeing you.
Oh, hi people. I'm sorry. I don't know what's going on. They plugged the thing out. I don't know. Right? Every time I notice this is this new thrust and this new narrative. Mash down that lie. Mash down that lie. When I look man for the answer, I when I look man for save way. We look man as a companion and to have a partner. And if you're not acting right and doing the right thing, you gotta go. So the man I watch my live and but woman got dead alone. Enough woman, if them did alone, they would have reached further. Cause some of them are hold down. Some of them are hold down. Cause on a bad mind. On a bad mind. On a soon woman progress instead of supporting her. On a bad mind her, on a banter her, on a say all type of thing, and banter is not the word is banter, but for the sake of the conversation, as it is in Jamaican vernacular, I'll say banter. Right? Yeah, Kayan, thanks, I realize. Right? Everything. Oh, you're dead alone or whatever. So what? Me say woman dead alone and to all them rich and left all money get posts. Nothing wrong. Enough woman in a relationship them unhappy. You're in a relationship with a man who not supporting you. Bad mind, is aggressive, toxic, a narcissist, a sociopath. Right? That ill treats you emotionally, physically, psychologically, and financially. So what you tell me say? What you tell me say? Say if a woman have a man, what the problem? What the issue? What the issue? Me not understand what the issue. I know we cut up Jesus Christ and give vinegar for drink. And a lot of people like to pass remarks about people. You don't even know their lives. You don't even know what's going on. Some women have no time to run down no man and run down no order because we focus different. And we focus on different things and progress. What are you telling me? Some of them man are a dream killer. Dream killer. And blessing blacker. Someone is so toxic and poisonous. Or to poison the very woman who wanted there with. The woman under so much stress, she can't even think outside the box. She can't even think for work out. She can't even think for doing some extra time or get another job because of who in her life. What you say? But we're not dead alone. Nothing wrong. Nothing wrong. How you're dead alone anyway. Me never hear nobody dead and you're dead with smaddy. Like how you and them dead. Are you alone, Ban, and are you alone are dead? So what are you saying? Like, oh, women who are single or don't have a man is less than? Not at all. Not at all. What? Some people are single by choice. Because we have standards. And we're not going to stoop to anything just to subscribe or ascribe to societal norms. We don't want to be relegated by that. So we live our lives because we are autonomous beings. I work hard for our own independence, and when we want man, we know which path to find them. Yeah. If we want man and when we want them, we know where to go. We know where they are. Don't worry yourself. Because someone who attack not even the woman I want to know. She not even spend the time for good on her breast milk and care on her. That's how it stays so. Every time I notice a woman has standards, it's always the broke ones. Oh my God, it always be the broke ones. Always be the broke ones. Have the most to say about everything. You want to direct people's life and you don't even have a life. Leave people alone. If women want to be single, we can be single, and there is no problem with it. If a lot of women could turn back the hands of time, they wouldn't even all there with someone with them there with. Matter of fact, they wouldn't even gonna take some man, period. Because when you look back on the time where you waste, the money where you waste, the trauma where you go through, the post-traumatic stress disorder where you have, because of these same men, what are you saying to me? Everything will quick with about you're gonna dead alone. I ain't have no man. Me not have none. I have the one. I have God. Alright. I'm quite okay. I'm quite okay. Because when we look at the 10 Commandments, it doesn't say you have to have a man to enter heaven. As a matter of fact, more time you have a man, you're farther from the pulpit. Because true, you have to have balance from the one-eye serpent, and you have to do things outside of God where God ordained. You stay farther from church.
So people, if you want to see that full video, I am going to leave a link in the description or in the comment section below. So just click it, go over my Instagram page and watch the full video. If you are watching on Instagram, just go on my page, scroll down until you see it. I'm going to post the full video on my Instagram. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about the topics we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? A one way and any other way are the wrong way. Let's get God go with you.